When it comes to collecting data on potential customers, a strong content gating strategy is key for your business's marketing success. In this short video, we'll define a gatedcontent.com gate and show you how it differs from a traditional web form, so you can optimize your web conversions and get more out of each lead. A gate is a form that's made up from the following components: the content being delivered, how the form is displayed, measurements including metadata, tracking and analytics, and any third-party plugins or integrations with other MarTech. We'll look at each of these in detail later on. A gate is a value exchange, where a web user exchanges data for content. You can imagine it as a physical gate that can be closed or open. The level of information requested should match the value of the content being delivered. How is a form different from a gate? Forms are simply a collection of fields embedded on a web page for inputting data. They are static web components that do not achieve lead capture on their own. Forms do not perform marketing measurement or attribution. Gates, on the other hand, encapsulate everything needed to perform lead capture. They control the user-facing experience, including the delivery of content. Gates allow scaling of user-facing forms that push submissions into a single master form in your marketing automation platform. They are actively monitored and centrally optimized, and changes can be propagated easily or updated in bulk. Gates are connected to your tech stack and are built to measure and attribute marketing activity. Let's take a closer look at each element that makes up a gate. Display includes all the visual elements of your gate that a user is presented. The messaging is where you motivate, incentivize, and present your value proposition. This way, the prospect knows exactly what they're getting out of the exchange. Your familiar styling and branding, as well as justifying why you're requesting specific information, helps reduce anxiety. Displaying the gate in the correct language, and using gate behavior to show the right fields at the right time, combined with pre-population, helps reduce friction. All of these display elements are key factors that increase your conversion rate. An informed strategy is an effective strategy. Gated content allows marketers to answer questions about their conversions, such as: where are my gates? How are my gates performing? Can I attribute conversion to a campaign? Can I measure interaction with content? Am I losing people at the point of conversion? Can I use data enrichment to derive more value from leads? Can I use metadata to inform and launch automation processes? Can I see what channels are driving the most form conversions? Gates enable cleaner data and streamline operations by connecting to your wider tech stack. Let's take a closer look at a more efficient and effective lead gen process using gatedcontent.com. A master form in your marketing automation platform is the main intake point for new leads and includes all the fields that may be needed. Standardized form templates in gatedcontent.com allow your team to optimize conversion depending on content, purchase intent, or place in the customer journey. For example, many people are hesitant to give out their phone numbers without good reason, so only request it if you're planning on giving them a call back. These templates can then be used to generate your gates. Multiple gates can leverage the same template, but they're considered different entities with their own ID, behavior, messaging, and other customizations. For ongoing maintenance and optimization, changes to underlying templates propagate out to any derived gates. Here is an example of a high-value template which has been used to generate 5 different gates. We have gates 1 and 2, which are the same but presented in different languages. Gate 3 is a download for a different campaign. Gate 4 is a sign-up for a webinar. And Gate 5 is to request a callback, so it has a phone number field and an extra checkbox included. It also has business sector, so the lead can be routed to the right sales team. An advantage of gates over traditional forms is that each gate can be deployed to multiple URLs. To learn more about web conversion optimization, head to gatedcontent.com.